Hey there! I want to show you just how easy it is to make your custom creations with us here. At the Print House Company, grab your favorite device and let's dive in. Here you'll find a treasure trove of possibilities. Whether you're into shirts, hoodies, or long sleeves, we've got it all. Just click on your preferred style. Now, we're customizing. Let's say I'm in the mood for a shirt. I select my color and size, and here's where the magic happens. You've got options. Feeling creative? Add your own logo or text. It's as simple as choosing a font and color you love. Or if you'd rather not reinvent the wheel, our art gallery's got your back. Let's say you're planning a family reunion. Here's a family tree design I really dig. It's as easy as clicking on your chosen design. Now for color, I'm going with classic white. Finally, let's pick the quantities for each size you need. And that's it. You've just created your custom item. Now it's time to check out. If you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. This is your house, and we're here to help. Welcome to the Print House Company.